All right, good afternoon, everyone. I'm Len Patterson. I'm here at the high school. Uh, this is my extension here, my email address, and my office number. And what I'm going to show you guys today is how to edit your teacher webpage. So what we do here is the first thing you want to do is open a web browser. And then once you have your web browser of choice open, at the very top, right up in here, you want to type in www.nacisd.org. That will bring you to the home page of the school district. And it should look something like what you see here. It may change from time to time, but overall the layout should stay pretty similar. From this point, there's an option right here for select a school. Drop down, and since I'm at the high school, we're going to work on the high school's webpage. But as you can see, there's a lot of different schools here to choose from. For today's example, we'll scroll down to Nacogdoches High School, select this, and you'll get our homepage for the high school. Now, keep in mind, this may change a little bit as the years move on, but right now this is what it looks like, and it should be pretty similar as we move on. At the top right here, there is an option for log in. Click on that button, or that option right there. You'll get this page right here. If you have not logged into your computer before going to this site, this information will not be readily available. So all you have to do is type in the same information that you type in when you come in to work in the morning and log into your computer. So for example, mine is L. Patterson. So you would type in your first letter, last name. Then in the password field, you're going to use the exact same password that you used to log in with in the morning. If you've kept it the last four, then it's your last four. If you've created a new password, it's the new password that you've created. So that's how you do that. Click login, and it will bring you up to this site again. Now, if you'll notice at the top right here, you're now logged in. So you've also got this little gray drop-down bar right here with a whole bunch of neat little options. So what we're going to do, because we're going to edit your teacher website, is we're going to hover over classes. If you're a teacher, we're going to go to classes. If you're in administration, you go to directory. But for this example, we'll go to classes. We're going to go down here to the math department. I spoke with Ms. Fuller, and she said I could use her as an example. So thank you for that, Ms. Fuller. I do appreciate it. So we'll go right down here to Lisa Fuller, and we'll bring up her webpage. Now, as you notice, she's got everything that I've ever requested from you guys. She's got a picture. She's got a bio here of everything she's done. And in addition to that, she even has the open house information in there, which is pretty cool. That means she's keeping current and editing her webpage for us, which is very nice. In addition to that, she's got her contact information, her extension, and her email address in there. Now, since this is come and gone, open house has already passed us a couple of days, the way you would get rid of this is you could go right over here to page properties, check out. All you have to do is mouse over this and it will come down. Check out and edit page. It's the first option right there. You will get a box that looks like this. This looks very similar to Microsoft Word. It has a lot of the same options and a lot of the same functions that Microsoft Word does. So if we're going to go down here, and I'm going to help Ms. Fuller out because, well, open house is already gone. So all we have to do, we will leave the note part in there in case she wants to add something else. But right here, you just highlight whatever it is that needs to go, and just as like Microsoft Word, just press backspace and it goes away. And we'll do the same thing for this right here, and it goes away. And then once you're done making your changes, if you add a photo or anything like that, all you have to do is go right down here to publish. Now you'll see this release date and this expire date. Leave those alone. If you change them, then your web page will delete one day just randomly and you won't know why. And so we'll leave that alone. So once you've made your changes, click on publish, and then those changes will be made automatically. And you will have, see, now they're no longer there. So that's how you do it. Those are some pretty basic things right there. And if you notice, the word menu has gone away. And if we want to still make changes, we just go right back up here to page properties. We hover over it. You don't have to click on it. Just hover your mouse over it. Then click on checkout and edit page once again. And this is whenever you can go back in there and make all sorts of changes. There are more advanced features that you can play with at the top here. You can add pictures. You can add attachments for Document Manager. You can do some media insert stuff. And of course, all the other options that Microsoft Word has as well, such as bold, italicize, underline, the different colors if you want to, background colors, and so forth and so on. There's a lot of things that you can do, and I really do encourage you guys to get in here and play with this. You're not going to break anything, I promise. If you get to a point where you're going, oh no, it looks weird, I don't know what to do, I'm not sure how to get out of it, just reach out to me, and I can get you squared away pretty quick. I've been doing this for a bit, and don't panic, I can fix it for you. So it's not a problem at all, but definitely get in there and play with it. And if you don't have a photo uploaded and you want to put one up there, we highly encourage it. Just send one to me, or else you can put it up there yourself, and we can get that done for you. So with that being said, once again, there's my contact information right there. And if you have any questions on how to do this, feel free to reach out to me, and I'll do my best to get you squared away and show you how to do it.